Want to know how to change how your store pieces view currency in Wish? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Wish application or just simply towards wish.com. The process is simply same. So now once you've done that, here you should be seeing your profile on the top right side. So make sure you're logged in to see it, and here you should be seeing view profile. Just simply select view profile right here. And now once you have selected it, here you should be seeing edit profile. Just simply select edit profile right here and make sure you're under account settings as well. Now scroll all the way down until you see currency. So it should be right above manage account. Here you should be seeing currency right here. Just simply select it and now you can change it to whatever you like. So you can see these available currencies and you can change it from anything from Australian to Muscat. So it should be automatically saved, and once you refresh your Wish tab or just restart your Wish application, the prices should change. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more such videos. See you in the next one.